This year, we are thrilled to celebrate the renaming of our gymnasium at St. Mary's High School in honor of Mike McMahon, a teacher, coach, principal, and leader. There is no other member of the St. Mary's community more deserving of this tribute. As a young man, Mike McMahon always loved sports. It was through his sports that he found success in academics. Growing up, his parents always insisted that if he wanted to play on a sports team, he had to be passing his courses. These were lessons in life that later, as a principal, he would pass on to his students. Mike always stressed to his players that you are a student athlete, with the student being the priority. Mike played competitive hockey and lacrosse as a youth, but his real passion was playing football in high school at Port Credit Secondary School in 1961. In his senior year, grade 13 of high school, he was named All of Toronto All-Star in football. Mike turned down a 4-year hockey scholarship to Middlebury College to pursue football, choosing to attend Waterloo Lutheran University, now Wilfrid Laurier University, and it proved to be the right choice. Mike McMahon was the first Laurier player to be selected as an All-Canadian in 1969. He was a member of both the 1966 and 1968 provincial championship teams and was inducted into the Golden Hawk Hall of Fame in 1987. And in 2011, Mike was named as one of the top 100 players of all time by Laurier University on the Team of the Century. After graduation, Mike felt a calling to teach and saw education as a way to pass on many of the lessons he learned through sports to the next generation of athletes. He quickly moved up the ranks in teaching from classroom to department head to administration. Mike started teaching in September 1971 with the Peel County School Board before moving in 1975 to the Halton Public School Board, and in September 1979 served as department head of phys ed and vice principal of St. Ignatius of Loyola High School with the Halton County Roman Catholic Separate School Board. Mike came to St. Mary's in September 1987 and served as principal of St. Mary's High School for 14 years, 1987 until he retired in 2001. As a principal, he found a true outlet for his calling as teacher, coach, and leader. Sports and extracurriculars became a priority under him as he saw it as a means to engage every student. He himself would often remark that if he couldn't play high school sports, he would have not made it through school. Every student mattered to Mike, and he would make sure each student was involved in the school community in some way. For Mike, sports in high school was a doorway to engage students so they could achieve academic success. The school, to Mike, was an extension of the larger community and church, and at its heart was a gymnasium in which sports were an expression of who we were as members of the community. The playing fields, the church, and the classroom were all interconnected. In his 14 years as principal of St. Mary's High School, Mike achieved so much for which we are grateful. He was the first secondary school principal for St. Mary's High School. Previously, it was a junior high with only grades 7 to 10. During his tenure, he did the following. Oversaw the transition adding grade 11 and 12 and the first secondary graduating class at St. Mary's in 1987. He led the move from the former St. Mary's High School, currently Holy Family Elementary, to the planning and construction of the current school located on Juliana Drive in 1996. As principal, Mike guided the school from a population of 200 plus students to the largest high school in Oxford County, approximately 1,200 students. He was an avid promoter of high school sports. Throughout his career, he coached wrestling and football, winning the Oxford Elgin Championship in 1996. He was instrumental in the formation of several sports programs in the school: wrestling, football, hockey, cheerleading, etc. After retiring in October 2002 as principal, Mike served as Oxford County Justice of the Peace for the Ministry of the Attorney General for the province of Ontario. We are very proud today to celebrate truly one of our great warriors from renaming the gymnasium at St. Mary's High School the McMahon Gymnasium. Congratulations, Mike, for this most deserving honor.